Here we are going to learn how to draw tree diagrams. A tree diagram is a clear way of showing all the possible outcomes of combined events. Here one question is there. The probability that Ravi beats Leon at tennis is 2/3. They play 2 matches. First one, draw a tree diagram to represent the possible outcomes of the 2 matches. Work out the probability that Ravi wins both matches. Work out the probability that Ravi wins the first match and Leon wins the second. Work out the probability that Ravi wins just one of the 2 matches. Okay. Then here in this case, first we have to draw tree diagram. Then this case, in normal way, here total how many matches are there? In this case, 2 matches are there. That means the all possible outcomes. That means these are the all possible outcomes. That the meaning of RR. That means first match Ravi wins, the second match Ravi wins. Or the other one, first match Ravi wins, second match Leon wins. Or first match Leon wins, second match Ravi wins. Then Leon wins, first match Leon wins, second match Leon wins. These are the all possible outcomes of this experiment. Okay, then we are going to represent this data as a pictorial representation of this data. That is called which one? Tree diagram. We can check how to draw tree diagram. Then here in this case, here there are how many matches are there? Total 2 matches are there. Okay, that means total 2 matches. That means first match and second match. First we can take that part, first match and second match. In first match case, there are 2 possibilities. First match case, that means Ravi wins, or what is other possibility? Leon wins. Then we can take 2 branches. First branch Ravi wins, the second branch Leon wins. Okay, then this is the second match case. Then now this part completed. The second match means the first match. Suppose that first match Ravi won the first match. Now we are going to start the second match. Now here we suppose first match, who won first match? Ravi won the first match. Okay, now we are going to play the second match. Then second match case also there are 2 possibilities, that is Ravi wins or Leon wins. Okay, then next one, here another part means here we suppose first match Ravi won. Then we can take it is like this, the first match Leon won the first match. In that case, suppose that the first match who won? Leon won. Okay, that means the second match. Now we suppose here first match Leon won. Then we are going to play the second match. In that second match case, there are 2 possibilities. The 2 possibilities are Ravi wins or Leon wins. These are the 2 possibilities. Okay, then the meaning of this part is, the first we can check this part. First match Ravi wins. Then this branch represent, we can check this branch represent first match Ravi wins, second match Ravi wins. Then this one, first match Ravi wins, second match Leon wins. Okay, then this branch represent first match Leon wins, second match Ravi wins. Then this branch represent first match Leon wins, second match Leon wins. Okay, these are the all possible outcomes. Okay, then here given the probability that Ravi beats Leon at tennis is 2/3. That means Ravi wins. That chance is, that probability we know, that probability is 2/3. That means here we can write that probability 2/3. The next one, what is the probability of Leon wins the match? We know Ravi wins, there are 2 players, Ravi and Leon. Ravi wins, that possibility is 2/3. Then in probability case, what is the total? This total is 1. Then we know one part is 2/3. Then which way we can find the other part? Because in probability the total is 1. Then to find the other part, 1 minus which number? 2/3. Then we will get which part? This part. That is 1 minus 2 over 3. Then we will get 1 over 3. That is the possibility. That is the probability of which one? Leon wins. Okay, wins the match. That's the probability is 1 over 3. In this case, is this tree diagram case, the sum of this branch, if you take this branch, the sum of this branch always is equal to 1. If you know one value, to find the other value 1 minus that value, particular value, then we will get the other value. Okay, here in this case, one value we know 2 over 3. To find other value, which way we can find find other value? 1 minus 2 over 3. That means we will get this value 1 over 3. Okay, the same way now we know second match. Now we are going to move to the second match. That is, we know Ravi wins the match. What is that probability? 2 over 3. Leon wins the match 1 over 3. Then here in this case, Ravi wins the match 2 over 3 and Leon wins the match 1 over 3. These are the probabilities. Okay, then this is the first question. What is the first question? Work out the probability that Ravi wins both matches. That means Ravi wins first match and Ravi wins the second match. Then in this case, in the probability case, this type of tree diagram case, we are using one trick. Okay, that trick means, here now you can check, and case we are using the operation multiplication. And case use multiplication. That means first match Ravi wins, second match and second match Ravi wins. That means we will take like this: first match Ravi wins, that is R, that probability, first match probability, times, then we will take which one? Second match probability. That means and case, in probability and case, here in this tree diagram we will use the operation multiplication. Okay, then or case use the operation addition. Okay, that is and case use the operation multiplication, or case use the operation addition. Okay, then this part is very important, is the one trick. Okay, we are using this trick in tree diagram. Okay, then here in this problem, first problem, work out the probability that Ravi wins both matches. That means first match Ravi wins, second match also Ravi wins. That is Ravi wins first match and Ravi wins second match. Here RR means R and R. Okay, RR means, I wrote here only RR. RR means R and R. R and R means first match Ravi wins. What is the probability of Ravi wins first match? That is 2 over 3. Then and means, here RR means R and R. And means use which operation? Multiplication. Okay, the next second R means the probability, second case Ravi wins. That is, this is that branch. We have to select that branch. First match Ravi wins, then this one second match also Ravi wins. That is, this is the branch. Okay, then here use which operation? Multiplication, because R and R, that is 2 over 3 times 2 over 3. That is, this is the first 2 over 3. Ravi wins first match, then Ravi wins second match 2 over 3. That is, this is that branch RR. That means first match Ravi wins and second match Ravi wins. That is, here the operation is here and in AND case use which operation? Multiplication. That is 2 over 3 times 2 over 3. We can simplify that part. We will get the answer 4 over 9. Okay, then the next problem. Work out the probability that Ravi wins first match and Leon wins the second. That means first match Ravi wins, second match, who wins second match? Leon wins. That is, this is that branch. Ravi wins first match, then Leon wins the second match. This is that branch. Okay, we can't go through this way because here this case Leon wins first match. Here in our problem, first match who? Ravi wins first match and Leon wins second match. Here the operation is, what is the operation here? And case, which is the operation here? Use which one? Multiplication, because Ravi wins first match and Leon wins second match. We can write that part like this: RL. RL means R and L. That means Ravi wins first match. What is that probability? 2 over 3. Then Leon wins second match. Take this branch. Okay, then Leon wins second match. That means the probability 1 over 3. That means we can write like this: 2 over 3 times 1 over 3. That means it will come like this. Then simplify, then we will get the answer 2 over 9. Okay, then next one, third question. That is this question. Work out the probability that Ravi wins just one of the two matches. Work out the probability that Ravi wins just one of the two matches. That is, Ravi wins one of the two matches. That is, one of the two matches means that probability Ravi, that only one match. Okay, that means Ravi wins. These are the chances. Ravi wins first match, and second match who will win? That Leon. That is RL. That is the one possibility. Or which way we can take? That is, first match Leon wins, second match Ravi wins. That means we can write like this. RL. RL means first match Ravi wins and second match Leon wins. Or the other possibility, first match Leon win and second match Ravi wins. Okay, these are the possibilities. Thus RL means R and L. First match Ravi wins and second match Leon wins. Or the other possibility, first match Leon wins and second match Ravi wins. First we have to take this RL, which is the RL branch. RL branch, which is that one. That is, first match Ravi wins. This is the second match Leon wins. This is the RL branch. That is 2 over 3 times 1 over 3. Then or means which operation we will use? OR case. OR case we will use plus operation, that is plus. Okay, plus. Then next branch, what is that one? LR. LR means first branch, first match Leon wins, second match Ravi wins. This is that branch. Okay, first match Leon win, second match Ravi wins. Then here in this case, what is the probability? 1 over 3 times which one? 2 over 3. Clear? That means we can write the probability like this. 2 over 3 times 1 over 3, that is RL. This is that part, RL. Then plus, then LR, that is 1 over 3 times 2 over 3. That is LR means first match Leon wins, second match Ravi wins. This is that part, 1 over 3 times 2 over 3. Then simplify, we will get the answer 4 over 9. Okay, then we can check one more question. Here the question, a bag contains 6 orange seeds and 3 yellow seeds. That is, here one bag is there. That bag contains 6 orange seeds and 3 yellow seeds. Priya chooses a seed at random and eats it. She then chooses a second seed at random. Find the probability that she chooses 2 yellow seeds, 2 different colored seeds, at least 1 orange seed. Okay, then here in this case you can check. Here bag contains how many orange seeds? 6 orange seeds and 3 yellow seeds. Here Priya chooses a seed at random and eats it. That means is a without replacement. This case is a without a replacement case because she eats that seed. Okay, that is it's a without replacement. Okay, yeah. Then she chooses a second seed at random. Then find the probability of this part. Okay, first we can draw. Here total how many selections are there? 2 selections are there because here the first selection, then is it, then the second selection. Total 2 selections are there. Then we can first take first selection and second selection. Okay, then in first selection case, total how many possibilities are there? That is, total how many possibilities are there? First selection. And if we select first one seeds from there, we will get two possibilities are there. That is orange seed or which seed? Yellow seed. These are the 2 possibilities. That means here we can draw 2 branches, that is orange seed and yellow seeds. Okay, then in this case here bag contains 6 orange seeds and 3 yellow seeds. We can take it here, that is 6 orange seeds and 3 yellow seeds. Then what is the probability from this bag? What is the probability of getting orange seed? Here total how many orange seeds are there? 6 orange seeds. Then total how many seeds are there? 9. That means probability of getting orange seeds equal to 6 over 9. Then what is the probability of getting yellow seeds? In this case, total how many yellow seeds are there? 3 yellow seeds are there. That is probability of getting yellow seeds is equal to 3 over 9. Okay, then the second selection. Now we are going to move the second selection. That means the before the second selection. Suppose that the first selection was orange seed. First selection, we first selected which seed? Orange seed. We suppose that way. Okay, suppose the first selection was orange seed. Then suppose the first selection was yellow seed. Okay, first we are going to take the first selection. That's first we selected orange seed. That way we are taking. Okay, if you take that way, that means we took one orange seed from here. Okay, that means it will come like this. We took one orange seed from here is the first selection. Suppose like that. Okay, that means the first selection orange seed. Okay, we selected one orange seed here. Okay, that means then it's it. Okay, then that part finished. Then now you can check in this box total how many orange seeds are there. Five orange seeds are there, and three, which one? Three yellow seeds are there. Okay, then from here we are going to select. In that selection case, total how many? That is second selection. That second selection case, totally how many possibilities are there? There are two possibilities are there in this case. Okay, which are they? That two possibilities, that orange seed and yellow seeds. That means these are the two possibilities, orange and yellow. Then what is the probability of getting orange seeds from here? Total how many orange seeds are there? 5. Total how many seeds are there? 8. That means it becomes 5 over 8. Okay, then what is the probability of getting yellow seeds from here? That is 3 yellow seeds are there, 3 over, then total how many seeds are there? 8 seeds, 3 over 8. That is the probability. Okay. Now suppose that here this first case which one? First we supposed to like this. First one is orange seed, then the second selection. Okay, now we can take like this. First we selected one seeds from here. That first seed, it was yellow seed. Okay, that way, that the another way. Okay, that is the first. Suppose first seed was yellow seed. Then what will happen in that case? Now the normal position. Okay, then suppose first one is the yellow seed. That means we selected one yellow seed from here. That means it will come like this. Okay, then now we are going to select the second seed. Okay, in second seed case there are two possibilities, that is orange or yellow. Okay, that means two possibilities. We can draw that two possibilities. One is orange, other one is yellow. Then what is the probability? From here, what is the probability of getting orange seed? Here total how many orange seeds are there? 6 orange seeds. That is probability of getting orange seeds is equal to 6 over total how many seeds are there? 8 seeds. That is 6 over 8. Then what is the probability of getting yellow seeds? Yellow seeds, total how many yellow seeds are there? 2 yellow seeds are there. Then probability of getting yellow seeds is equal to 2 over 8. Okay, now we completed which part we completed? That is tree diagram part we completed now. Okay, now we can do this question one by one. First question number A. 2 yellow seeds. 2 yellow seeds means first seed yellow and second seed yellow. That means this branch. Yellow and yellow. Yellow and yellow. This branch. That means we can write like this. Yellow and yellow. That case use which operation? Multiplication. That is 3 over 9 times 2 over 8. Simplify. We will get the answer 1 over 12. Okay. The next one is second one. Question number B. 2 different colored seeds. 2 different colored seeds means, that is here in this case 2 different colored seeds. What is the meaning of that one? That means 2 different colored seeds. That is first seed orange, then second seed yellow, or the first seed yellow, then second seed orange. These are the cases. That is 2 different color. That means we can write like this. OY. OY means first seed orange, second seed yellow. Or what is the other possibility? First seed yellow and second seed orange. Okay, these are the possibility. First we can check this one. OY. First seed orange and second seed yellow. That means this is the first seed orange and second seed yellow. This is that branch. Okay, in this band case, the probability 6 over 9 times 3 over 8. Then or means use which operation? Addition. Then YO means first seat yellow and second seat orange. This part, that is 3 over 9 times 6 over 8. That means we can write like this. Then simplify, you will get the answer 1 over 2. Okay, then next question number C. At least one orange seed is very important part. At least one orange seed. At least one means, at least one orange seed means one orange seed or two orange seeds. Okay, that is at least one means is a minimum. How many minimum number is 1. Minimum number is 1. That is minimum orange seed 1. Okay, that means there is no maximum, that limit here. There are only how many draws are there? Only 2 draws are there. That means we will get maximum 2. Okay, that means at least one orange seed means minimum one orange seed. That means we have to consider here the situation, one orange seed situation we have to consider. Then which situation also consider? 2 orange seeds situation. Then 3 orange seed situation is not there because here total how many selections are there? Only 2 selections are there. That means one orange seeds or 2 orange seeds. Okay, then if we move in that way, that is one orange seeds or 2 orange seeds, we can first check that branches. One orange seed branch first we can check. One orange seed branch means is this branch. This branch is one orange seed, is the one branch. This branch one orange seed. Okay, O Y. Then other branch is YO. This case also how many orange seeds? One orange seed. Okay, then we can check, we can take that because at least one orange seed, at least one orange seed means minimum one orange seed. Okay, minimum one orange seed means one orange seed case we have to include, and 2 orange seeds case also we have to include here. Okay, then next 2 orange case, that is which branch? That is this branch. This branch, okay, is the branch which one? 2 orange seeds. Okay, now you can check this part. Here we took this branch, this branch, this branch. We covered almost all branches, but here this branch is we didn't take this branch. Only this branch we didn't include. All other branch we included. That means the probability total, we know the total probability. Total probability is equal to 1. Okay, total probability is equal to 1. Here we are using the complementary event method. Okay, that is complementary event method. We know probability of not A is equal to 1 minus probability of A. Okay, that way we are using here. We know here at least one orange seed. We are taking the complementary of at least one orange seed. At least one orange seed means one orange seed or 2 orange seed. The opposite or complementary of that one. What is the complementary of that one? That is that no orange seed. Minimum 1 or 2 is here. That is no orange seed. No orange seed means that 2 seeds are which seeds? That is the yellow seed. That is first seed yellow seed and second seed also yellow seed. That is the complementary event of this one. That is 2. Here we, that means this part we included, this part also there. Okay, then only one part we didn't take, that is this part. That is the complementary event. Okay, that is complementary of this at least one orange seed. What is at least one orange seed? What is the complementary of that one? That is at least one orange seed means it includes one orange seeds, 2 orange seeds. Then complementary of that one is no orange seed. No orange seed means we have to orange seed means first seed is not orange, second seed also not orange. That means first seed yellow, second seed also yellow. That is this part. This is the complementary of which one? That's the question number C part, complementary event. Okay, now it is easy to find this part because first yellow, second yellow. Then what is the probability? 3 over 9 times 2 over 8. That part already we found in the question number A part. What is that answer? 1 over 12. That means the complementary event of this event we know. What is the complementary event of this event? That is YY. That is first yellow, second also yellow sweet. That is the complementary of which one? This event. That is to find, we know that probability. What is that probability? 1 over 12. We know the total probability is equal to 1. Then which way we can find the other part probability? 1 minus this 1 over 12. Okay, that means we can write like this: 1 over 1 minus 12. Then simplify, we will get the answer 11 over 12. Okay, that means here at least one orange. That case the complementary part, which is the complementary part, this part is the complementary part, or which one? The other part. That probability, it is easy to find that probability, because why that case, what is the probability? 1 over 12. In the question 1 we found that answer. Okay, that answer is 1 over 12. That is the one part. To find the other part, we need which one? The other part here, other part probability. To find the other part probability or complementary part probability, which way we can find? 1 minus that probability, 1 minus 1 over 12. Then we will get the answer 11 over 12. That is the answer. Thank you.